guys, we should gamble out here. Jibrell got a raisin Fanta. It might just be grape though. Yeah, we got tuna sandwiches again. It's more bread than anything, but it's pretty big. I stuck my hand in it and then it hurt me, but I think it's 2 recycled bottles, so I'm gonna try it out. English? All right.
We'll just put it in there at this point.
Oh, I got 2 thingies.
Whoa.
Super you. What did I get? Did I get $2?
You probably got 2 cents.
I got 2 cents. I'm gonna go get you drop this.
Yeah, merci.
Hello, I got that.
It's
Too little?
yeah. I got my dad bod going on. How dad bod am I right now?
Not. I mean, you're only 23. I'm just kidding.
I want to have a baby.
You want to have a baby?
Like now, yeah.
Nice.
No, I'm just kidding now.
I wouldn't mind a baby. Hey guys, I found some reef. I don't know if it's poisonous or not. It looks pretty spiky. I just want to break it. Whoa, look how crazy it looks actually. Should we take some reef back home? All right, look at this. Look at this. Before I break it.
Why do you have to break it?
Cause it's breakable and it sounds cool. I don't know. Look at it. It's like purple and shit.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, I know. It looks like actually alive. Like meat. Alright, I'm gonna break it. You hear it? Sounds cool. Woo! We're up on some thingy. And you can see the coral. And then the really blue water. And yeah. Look at this. Some nasty green water. Some nice blue water.
Thank you.
Vlog.
Back at McDonald's again. I think I'm getting a Big Mac. Look at that. How much? I got a Big Mac meal. Jibrell got a make attack. Right? Try and hit this spot right here. I'm gonna try to do it first try. That was good enough for me. And now I'm gonna check out this hubba maybe. I'm gonna hit it. Alright, this is the hubba I found right here. Taking a photo to save the location. And it just started raining, so all the tile landing is super slippery, and I'm not gonna hit it, but it's perfect. I'm gonna take a view break. It's cool. Seems to be the kick it spot. I'll just run. Okay. That was way easier. Guys, we got to reverse into this. You got it, you got it. Yeah. Don't lose, don't lose. Throttle all the way.
Jeff, changer? Huh? Go! Oh, man. Oh my god, dude. Roll, yeah.
Alright, we made it on the boat. That's where we're going. Boom.
Time to get in the car and we'll be super stressed getting out.
There he is. That's him. There's Jibrell. There he is. Did it. He did it. M-O-O-R-E-A. Anyway, we're here. It looks less dirty for sure. So, I'll keep you guys posted on tomato, tomato, potato, potato.
It's not Marie and OREA is definitely a big difference.
That's a big grapefruit. Jet ski.
We need to do that.
Here at the activity center, and we just got ourselves some jet skis for Sunday. It cost us 230,000 franc. Yeah, that's right.
AKA 200.
We're thousandaires. No, we're not speaking in American money. We've paid 230,000. That's right. All right.
Got this skill 1 out of 10. I'd honestly give it a 7. And that's pretty high for pizza.
I rate this a 6. But we're, oh my god. So, one thing I've noticed, as well.
I have also noticed.
They keep trying to scam us. They keep telling us things are different price, but it's obviously says the price on the wall, and then they keep giving us incorrect change. At this supermarket, I got a drink that was 100 franc. I paid with a 20 American, and that's 21.05 franc. And she gives me back 1,600 franc. So she's trying to charge me $4 for a $1 drink. And Jibrell, at the same store, he bought a $1 or a couple drinks and got the correct change. Remember, it was Easy Market.
Yeah.
So, and right now it was $13.50 for a pizza, but they're like, nah, $1,400.
Yeah, they just changed the price like right then and there. I mean,
We have a predicament here. We keep getting bit because there's more mosquitoes on this island, and then now there's 2 in the car. There's one right there, and somewhere else there's the one hiding. Jibrell, can you hold my phone so I can attack it with my zodiac sign book?
we don't believe in killing animals, but
Well, when they're hurting you, you know it's life or death.
wow, you're.
What do you mean? He's right there.
Okay, I was about to say you almost drank.
Dude, look at that one. He's like striped. Guys, we got one more left.
He's gonna try to hit me. YouTube help!
YouTube help.
No, seriously, stop.
All right, hold on.
Unless you killed something with that, dude, it's gonna be on my hair. I can't have that.
Oh, he's on your door. He's right there. He's like above the seatbelt.
Don't you
Look at him.
no. Let me get it then. Why are you looking at other places?
Here.
Alright, let's just go to the place, dude.
All right, fine. I found him. Oh, DUI test.
Okay. Just 4 seconds. Okay. Again. No. 4 or 5.
5 seconds?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Alright.
Okay. Again. Stop. Okay.
My first time doing that. I know, right?
Okay, good.
Can I do it for fun?
What?
Can I blow on one?
No.
I'm sorry. I don't speak English.
Okay.
Okay. Damn, dude. Literally, when I asked, like, are there any police on this island? And then he gets stopped. Dang, that's crazy.
Damn, look at you manipulating that my fool.
That's right. I manifest my own destiny. Therefore,
You manifested my destiny. What if I thought a beer? No, I don't even drink like that.
honestly,
Don't
though,
drink and drive. Don't drink and drive.
yeah. How wet are you getting?
I'm not gonna go at all.
We'll close our windows at one point soon.